skills, because today is the first day, right? So that's why I want that what's your doubts, okay, and what actually we are going to learn. It should be clear. Okay, once your topics doubt is clear, now that what we are learning, why we are learning, what is the requirements. So it will be easy for you that you can give a more focus. That's why I see. If I'm talking, okay, if I will talk about networking. So networking is a combination of two different things here. Okay, in Navision that you are getting. One is a basic network. Second one is a CCNA. So you should have a great knowledge, means good knowledge. I'm not saying great knowledge, good knowledge on a basics network plus CCNA both. Plus CCNA both, you should have a good knowledge. Again, I'm saying maybe some people has got a CCNA class, maybe some are doing right now, maybe for someone today just started, maybe for someone next week it will start. But definitely you will get a class on a CCNA. That's why on a networking, I will not give you any kind of further class from my side, because already you did and you are doing right now and you will do in the future, definitely. Because for a network, we have a separate trainer. I'm not going on a networking module. If you have doubts, I can clear all doubts. I know the network I very well. I can clear doubts, but I will not give you any class on a network.
Correct. Sir, at least share with us the types of the questions that can be asked, like you said that
it's a
questions.
first day, sir. It's a first day of class, right?
Okay.
So you don't know anything right now, so I can't share anything with you. Just go with a step by step.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So about a network, I'm skipping because you are doing. Someone will do. Someone has done. That's why. Okay. I will ask the question to a network. I will ask the questions to a network just for verification that how much you have a knowledge. Maybe I will find some bug on you that no, you don't know these things, so I can provide you. Number second, you have a Windows administration. Correct. So on a Windows administration, all of you did a class on a Windows client OS and server OS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone here who hasn't attended a class on a client OS Windows administration class? So please write a message to me in a chat box. Okay, no one. Okay. Let's see. So about a Windows, Windows client OS, I'm confident. The Windows client OS, I'm confident that because Windows client OS means what? It's a Windows 10. How to operate Windows 10? Windows 10 को चलाना कैसे है? How to use Windows 10? That's in a Windows client OS, which is easy that all of you know. But if I will talk about a Windows server, so Windows server is literally very vast topic, no doubts. Okay, and in a Windows server, if I'm not wrong, you know only ADDS role and you don't know anything in a Windows server.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You only know what is Active Directory, what is domain controller, how to install ADDS, how to configure a domain, how to click on add a new forest, how to make a domain joining in a client side. If the client machine is in a work group, how to make a domain through a domain joining. You only know this thing in a Windows server.
Yes.
Anything extra you don't accept this?
Yes, this was only, sir.
No, sir.
Only means simple thing, you only know ADDS role. You have installed ADDS in a Windows server. And okay, you have created a user. Okay, by going through a tools option. Then click on AD users and computers, right? You have create users. And from that one user, you have logged on a client machine. Because the client machine is in a domain as well as. This one only?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not enough. It's not enough because you know what is the meaning of server? Server is a centralized device through that we are managing everything. वो एक सेंट्रल डिवाइस है जिसके थ्रू हम बहुत सारी चीजों को मैनेज कर सकते हैं, नो डाउट्स. So you should know the more things in a Windows server. Correct. Because I know very well, topic number 4, 5, 6 is a completely new that I will teach you, no doubts. Topic number 4, 5, 6 about Office 65 Basics Cloud, about a troubleshooting, about ITIL that I will teach you. Okay, it's a completely fresh for you. It's a complete new for you. A complete new आपके लिए. About Outlook Mail, maybe you got a class with the Windows.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to
but
configure
only
mail
configuration, how
in
to configure.
Outlook,
Yes,
what
sir.
is PST, what is IMAP, POP, SMTP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But even I will verify from you that how much you know on Outlook. Okay, so now the point which is important for right now, it's a knowledge on a Windows server that you don't know too much things about a Windows server. You don't know too much things on a Windows server. Even you only know one thing, which is ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services. Correct. So first of all, okay, I'm asking you one question to all of you. Who can give an answer? You can only give it through a chat. Okay, you can write a message to me. Just assume now I'm not your trainer. Just assume I'm taking your interview from a company side. मैं किसी भी company side से आपका interview ले रहा हूँ. Just assume this thing. Okay, I'm the interviewer. I'm not your trainer. I'm not your teacher right now. Okay. So I'm asking a question to you. How would you install Windows operating system in a multiple PC at a single time? Just write a message in a chat box if you can. Okay, only through a chat you can write a message to me. Question is, how would you install Windows operating system in a multiple PC at a time? Not through pen drive, DVD, CD, bootable pen drive, not like that. At a time, you need to deploy Windows operating system in a multiple PC. Through VMware. No. See, what is the Windows operating system you have installed in your VMware? Na? The company is not doing this thing. Any one organization will never install their Windows inside a VMware. In a physical machine, I'm talking with you. Just you have a laptop, na? All of you have a laptop, definitely. A desktop. So how in a system? Just assume if you have a multiple system, multiple laptop, and all the laptop are OS-less. All the laptop and all the system are OS-less. So when all the system, all the laptop are OS-less, correct?
Yes, sir.
So on that PC, how would you deploy a Windows operating system? Even you don't need to touch a PC. आपको उस PC को touch भी नहीं करना है.
Okay, sir. So, लिखना ही है.
Okay, just write a message to me in chat. Okay, how can you do it? How would you do it? Search through the server. First, open user of a node, then create new user. New user. So you need to install a Windows operating system. The machine having not any OS. You have 100 machine which is OS-less. आपके पास 100 PC है जिसमें OS है ही नहीं. You have 100 laptop and desktop in which operating system are not present, right? And if any person want to work on a PC, the operating system should be installed. OS तो होना ही चाहिए. How to do it? Through network. How? How through network? I want the clarity on this topic. Someone is saying, sir, buy a server. Definitely buy a server we are doing. But how? If I will tell you, do it in front of me, can you do show me? BIOS server. BIOS is not a server here. BIOS is a setting. BIOS is not a server. There's a new word you have invented, Vishwanath. BIOS server. No. Yeah. If you will create a user in a server, so is it magic? God will come to install the Windows. You will get a user in a server. So how the OS-less machine will get a Windows? अगर आप सर्वर के ऊपर यूजर बनाओगे तो जिस पीसी में ओएस नहीं उसमें ओएस आ जाएगा. हाउ इट्स पॉसिबल? I hope guys all of you are getting my question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Someone is saying through IP address, sir. How through IP address? How OS-less machine will get IP? Okay, I'm giving you a laptop and desktop, for example, in which the operating system is not present. How that one PC will get an IP address? उसमें IP कहाँ से आएगा? It will be a black screen, ना?
Yes, sir. Only BIOS.
No, not from BIOS and all.
MAC address.
After installing OS only we can assign IP address.
After it, that's a challenge, na?
Yes, sir.
If OS is present, so why I will tell you to install OS?
Yes, sir.
अगर OS पहले से ही होगा तो मैं क्यों बोलूंगा करने के लिए? What is the requirement then?
And you want to install from the centralized location, correct?
Yes. Remote server, sir. How? Tell me, Vishwanath, how through remote server? Tell me the steps. If you did, so tell me. Just by saying a word, remote server through IP, that's not like that. No, it will not work. It's like a guessing the answer, right? आप सिर्फ आंसर गैस कर रहे हो, sir. It may be, sir. It may be. Correct. It's not you. Vince, what are you saying? You are not confident. I know, because you don't know what's the remote server. Guys, so this kind to answer through any other software. Which software? Tell me, which software? Can you do it? If you are admin in a company, आप ही admin हो company की, आपको ही करना ये काम. You need to do it. Then how?
By any other third-party software.
Which software?
Sir, नाम तो नहीं कंफर्म कर पाऊंगा.
So that you need to confirm ना. You need to do actually. आपको तो करना है. जब आपको नाम ही नहीं पता तो आप करोगे कैसे? You will not go through YouTube ना.
Yes,
आप
sir.
तो YouTube में जाओगे नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, you will not get that much of time that you will run from a YouTube. Then you will try. Maybe it will fail. Then ये fail हो गया.
Yes, sir. बिल्कुल.
I've pinned something. Can you check once? Message you something. Can you check?
No. No, Bhaskar. Putting file in a shared folder and then group policy. No. The error is the question is the OS machine is not having OS. PC में तो OS ही नहीं है.
But sir, but in that centralized machine, OS will be there, na? Correct?
Centralized machine having OS, na?
Yeah.
Which is a server OS.
Yes.
And there is 100 PC in which OS are not present. Your work is to install the OS in 100 PC at a time. And okay, what are you saying? Shared folder. It will work once the machine having OS. जब उसके अंदर OS हो.
So sir, I'm saying like if in the Windows Server machine only, if we have a ISO file, from there we can push on to the 100 machines
How?
where we want to install.
How?
Like I'm aware of a little bit thing like something like group policy used to be there.
No.
And you-
Group policy is a security settings. I will
Okay.
give a class to you in a group policy. Okay, we have a separate class. Group policy is basically a security settings that you are applying a security for your computers, for your users in a domain. For example, you want the users can't access pen drive. So you can set a group policy on a server, the users will not access it.
Yes.
That's
Like
the user.
like sir, one example which I have read it, like if I want in all the machines the wallpaper should be the same. So in that case also I think group policy comes into picture, correct?
Group policy will work once machine having a OS, and once that one machine having a domain joined with a server.
Oh,
Group policy will only work
okay, got it.
when that the client machine, the machine in which you are saying the machine should have a OS, and that one machine should connect with a server as in a domain. For example, the server having a domain tch.com. So all the client machines should have a domain joined with tch.com. But the situation is here, the machine not having OS. Situation ये है कि किसी मशीन में OS नहीं है. Right. Okay, now
तो
try to
फिर
understand
कमांड कैसे
what?
कमांड कैसे लेगी फिर मशीन? कुछ ना कुछ तो वहां पे इनपुट करना ही पड़ेगा, तब तो कमांड
No.
कमांड ले.
That's a logic, na? That's a logic. Through bootable pen drive. Pritam, now tell me. If you will go with a bootable pen drive, for example, 100 machine you have. So one machine will minimum take 10 minutes minimum, right now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
100 machine will take 1000 minutes. Just calculate in your mind. अपने mind of calculate कर लो. 1000 minutes means 16 to 17 hours. Right?
Yes sir.
Because I am calculating in my mind, that you can also, okay, see. Till now, what you know? Okay, I'm writing here. Till now, okay. WhatsApp. Okay, till now, what you know? Till now, you know Windows installation, through pen. Okay, PD. PD means pen drive. Okay, I'm writing in a short. Okay, you know that you can install a Windows through a pen drive, or you can install a Windows through CD or through any DVD, right? Correct.
Yes.
You only know that Windows as an admin, as an engineer, you can install in any PC by using some device like a pen drive, having a bootable pen drive or window. Then you can attach, you can install. Right. Guys, so just assume you are going to install the Windows operating system, Windows 10 OS in a client side through pen drive. Correct. So in a one PC, how much time you will take? 10 minutes minimum?
Yes.
Maybe someone will take 20 minutes. ऐसा हो क्या 20 minutes भी ले लो. But minimum, I'm thinking you are too much excellent people right now. So minimum 10 minutes. If one PC will take 10 minutes, how much requirements? 100 PC, no? So how much minute? 1000 minutes. If you will calculate in hours, so it will be approx 16 to 17 hours, approx. Right now, 16 to 17 hours. Okay. And guys, you know very well, in a one day, you will work for any company 9 hours. Right? एक दिन आप 9 घंटे काम करोगे ना किसी कंपनी के लिए.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are a human, okay, not a robot. That in a 9 hours, you will not take a single minute of break. It's not possible. You have only two hands as well as. Correct. So I'm thinking in a one day, you are working 8 hours. One day you are working 8 hours, right? 8 hours with a complete dedication. Because 1 hour I'm taking as your lunch break, tea break, which is happening there because corporate having a load of work pressure. So you need a something fresh, right? Even you are a human, we are a human, so you know. Okay. If I'm giving a session to anyone of 2 hours of regular class, I need a 10 minutes of break, minimum, half an hour break. I have my personal work. I have a lunch, dinner, tea, coffee, this like. Okay, so in a one day you will work 8 hours, as I'm thinking. But you need to work minimum 16 hours. Now means total you will take 2 days, right? If you're a single person in a that one work, in this work assigned to you only, ये काम सिर्फ आपको ही assign हुआ है. So 2 days total you will take, right? But the same thing, I'm the expert person. The same thing I can do within a 2 hours. मैं ये same काम को 2 घंटे में भी कर सकता हूँ. I can install the Windows operating system in 100 machine within 2 hours. Even I will not visit any client machine. I will visit a client machine. Okay, I will visit all the OS list machine just for turning on. मैं बस turn on करने के लिए visit करूंगा सब machine. How? How it's possible? It's possible. There is a role in a Windows server because you know only ADDS role. That's why you are not aware. There is a role in a Windows server. The role name is WDS, Windows Deployment Services. If as an admin, you will configure the WDS role on a server successfully, so that all the OS-less machine will get a Windows through a network. Okay, now just I'm giving you overview. I will show you the practical live. मैं आपको live दिखाऊंगा how it's happening, but step by step. Correct. So through WDS server we can only do. Through WDS server we can only do. We can deploy the Windows OS in a multiple PC at a single time, just by sitting in a server room and server machine. Okay, I need to visit a client. Okay, I need to visit all the machine only for one time, just for turning on. बस मुझे हर एक मशीन को turn on करना है. Correct. So that's why I'm saying you don't have a sufficient knowledge on a Windows server. आपके पास sufficient knowledge नहीं है Windows server की. Because you got a basic Windows administration class. आपने basic classes ली only. Getting my point? So that's why
Yes,
this
sir.
session got scheduled. So that I can give you a real time knowledge. What is happening inside a company? मैं आपको वो सब चीजें बता सकूं. And you will be prepared for a real time. That's why this classes got scheduled. Okay, and it will go from today to till 15 to 20 days.
Okay, sir.
Because then you will be ready by your technical knowledge. You will get a knowledge that no, in a company this is happening. Company में ऐसा होता है, I need to do this thing. You can express your experience in front of anyone. Now, if anyone will ask, how your server room was looking, how you was getting a issue by a company, how user is raising their ticket, you will not confuse. Right? Okay, for example, Ajinkya is giving an interview to me. Okay, Ajinkya is saying, sir, I have 1 year of experience. I told, okay. Okay, Ajinkya having a knowledge. Okay, Ajinkya is giving answers of technical questions. But when I'm asking a question that how much machine in your server room, which kind of servers you are using there, Ajinkya will confuse, no? Because Ajinkya have used the server inside a VMware. But guys, we are using any machine inside a VMware. Why? So that we can use a multiple OS at a time. Correct. Okay, company will never use their server machine inside a VMware. No? They have a separate machine, separate desktop, in which the server OS has been installed on a physical OS. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's the differences between a bookish knowledge and a real-time knowledge. Yeah, Mayuri, you are here right now.
Yes, sir.
Why
Just
means
for that,
you have completed, na?
No, sir, but I'm remaining with the WDS server, no?
Okay, WDS server type, na? So
Yeah.
what you can do tomorrow and next day, 2 days we will discuss on a DSP and WDS. Then you can join tomorrow and then next day.
So there is no need, so.
No, you can be. I'm
We
not.
won't
I'm
cover
not
this.
saying that no need to connect.
No,
I'm
no,
saying
no, no. You are right, sir. Right. I've already done this session. I'm just dealing for that WDS server.
yeah. So WDS I will teach on tomorrow. We will do DSCP. Then next day
Okay.
WDS.
Sir, DSCP configuration. You're
Yes.
going to do?
Yes, definitely.
I would
tomorrow.
like to. I would like to have it, sir.
So not an issue. From today you can continue then. Up connected.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So that's why this session got scheduled so that I can deliver you a real time things and to show you what is happening in a VMware differences and a real time differences. Because in your mind you only know the installation in a VMware, right? It's not your fault. Actually, we don't have a multiple laptop and desktop so we can practice. That's why we are doing inside of VMware. But you can't give answer to the interviewer according to VMware. VMware can according answers नहीं कर सकते हो, right? And you need to give answers according to a real time that this is a physical machine, physical server, like that, so that I can believe that no, you have actions. Okay, so see what's happening in a Windows server, correct? There is a some topic which is new for you, okay, which is remaining for you that I will deliver you here. Yeah, some topic is remaining in a Windows server. What is the topic? Okay, because Windows client OS is a easy, very easy, right? It's a Windows 10, how to use a Windows 10, so anyone can understand. But Windows server is a centralized machine, correct? And if you don't have a good hands-on on a Windows server, so it will be a negative for you, that you will not be able to handle a central machine. And you know, any client machine will connect through a central machine, right? Which is a server. And server operation is very good. When you should have a knowledge. Correct. I see. So we are going to run okay, in a Windows server. I will give you some 3-4 topics. Number one, that will be DSCP server. Because you only know the theory part. आपको बस theory पता है. DSCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a server used to provide IP address automatically, dynamically to the client machine. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But,
sir.
But if you are an admin, how to provide? Just assume you are admin. आप ये समझो ना, आप ही
Yes, sir.
engineer हो, आप ही admin हो. Can you do it right now? No.
without DSP, we can't.
Means you should have a knowledge now that how to install, configure DSCP, which is easy. But actually you are not aware. That's why you're thinking how to do, what to do. True. That's why. Okay, so that's okay. Class on a DSCP. Then number second, we will move to WDS server. That Windows installation in a multiple PC in a single time through a centralized role, centralized service is a WDS. Because WDS configuration is something critical. Lot of settings you need to do. That's why you need to see in my screen how I will do in a few. I mean, how I will show you, and you need to perform the same thing. So okay, you're gonna get a knowledge. Number third, the DSCP WDS, then group policy. Now, okay, someone is using our group policy, right? But how to apply a security setting to your users and to your computers? But just assume. Okay, again, I'm creating a scenario for you. Now you are again an admin in a company. Okay, and you know any IT organization having organization having a multiple departments. Well, you will work for IT department, right? In IIT team. There is another team for sales department. account department, finance department, HR department,
sir.
right?
Yes,
You
sir.
know. So why is that? Okay, the data is more